If you're looking for an AI tool to build apps faster, you've probably seen Bolt.new and Replit Agent. Both can generate code from simple prompts, but they're designed for different types of users. So, which one should you choose? Let's compare them. Ease of use. Both platforms are easy to get started with. Bolt.new is focused on turning prompts into full-stack web apps quickly, while Replit Agent guides you through building projects inside the Replit development environment. If you're completely new to coding, Replit Agent offers a more guided experience. The winner would be Replit Agent. Coding capabilities. Bolt.new is excellent for generating modern web applications with front-end, back-end, and database support in just a few prompts. Replit Agent supports a wider variety of programming languages and project types, making it more flexible for developers working beyond web apps. If your goal is web app development, Bolt.new has the advantage. For general software development, Replit Agent is the better choice. Development experience. Bolt.new focuses on fast app generation and quick iteration. Replit Agent is built into Replit's Cloud IDE, allowing you to write, edit, test, debug, and deploy your code in one place. If you want a complete coding workspace, Replit Agent wins. Pricing. Both platforms offer free access with usage limits, along with paid plans for high AI usage and additional features. If you're just learning or testing ideas, either free plan is a good place to start. Final verdict. Choose Bolt.new if your main goal is building full-stack web apps as quickly as possible. Choose Replit Agent if you want a complete AI-powered coding environment that supports multiple programming languages and long-term development. For speed and rapid web app creation, Bolt.new is a better choice. For flexibility and a full development workflow, Replit Agent comes out on top. If this comparison helped, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which AI coding tool you prefer.